Hey everybody, I'm Anxiety Offline, and today I'm going to show you how to make these little mini USPS stickers here using nothing but your at-home printer. These things are super cool. You can use them to kind of decorate your board, decorate your obstacles or whatever. And you can obviously use this knowledge to create your own stickers, of any sort. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is take a USPS label and affix it to the very center of a piece of printer paper. It doesn't got to be perfect, just make it in the middle, like as perfectly in the middle as you possibly can, and tape all four corners of it. Next, you're going to take that and put it face down in your printer. That way when your printer prints on the sheet, it'll print the sticker side facing up. And then I use Adobe Scan, but you can use any kind of free scan app within the App Store and take a scan of that sheet of paper with your sticker taped to it. And then I pulled that into Photoshop. Now, I also took a scan of one of my favorite stickers and I pulled that into Photoshop as well. And I sized it appropriately and multiplied it, and here's my mock-up, which is a bunch of the little mini stickers printed onto one of these USPS labels here. So you can kind of probably see where we're going now. So what you're going to do is you can hide that sticker label so you only have the little mini ones showing. You don't need to double print the priority mail, the large sticker. And then go ahead and hit print. And now this is where the magic happens. So assuming you have no massive paper jam, you're going to see your design printing onto the sticker now. So it might not be perfect in hindsight, or as I could see after I printed this one, it was a little bit too high. So I should bring it down a couple pixels and then reprint it. But here's a quick pro tip. Before you take your sticker off the actual sheet, take a pen and mark each side of it so then you know where your sticker was. And then you can easily take another one, tape it in place, and then make your adjustment on the computer, hit print, and then it should be right where you want it. So next, we're going to take our sticker off the paper. And I have my sheet here that I can reuse. So you want to grab a ruler and an X-Acto blade. You can use scissors. It might not come out as clean. X-Acto blade and ruler just makes everything look super clean. And then you want to go ahead and cut every single one of them out. It's a little bit tedious, but super, super worth it. Like I said, you can use this knowledge to make any kind of sticker you want. And it might not be the most efficient or the cheapest in the long run, considering, inkjet printing is pretty expensive. But if you just want to do a quick, cheap run of some mini stickers for you and your homies, this is probably the way to do it. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.